shiny object syndrome. This is something that I've been really passionate about advocating with people in general, not just entrepreneurs, but just everybody in general. Because with the emergence of social media, with the digital age, with AI, with all those things, right? We are more and more reliant on our phones. We are on the scroll rabbit hole of going through TikTok, going through social media, watching endless videos and just wasting time, okay? Now, this is all something that I like to kind of put under the banner of a shiny object. So you're chasing this, chasing that, watching this, watching that. We have to take control over our life. We have to take control of the time that we spend on different things. To do that, I've created a challenge called SOS Detox Challenge, Shiny Object Syndrome Detox Challenge. This is a completely free challenge that you can sign up, and I really recommend you do, no matter who you are. It doesn't matter if you are even an entrepreneur online. It doesn't matter if you are a stay-at-home mom, if you're a busy CEO, if you're an employee. It doesn't matter. That challenge is going to take you through how to take control of your finances through canceling subscriptions and things like that and getting organization on your finances. It's going to take you through how to get control over your email inbox, which is a massive distraction. Chances are your email inbox right now is full of distractions, marketing emails, things like that. How to take control over that? It's going to take you through the process of taking control over social media and the apps that are on your phone and the distractions that you're bombarded with every single day. And various other things like that in this free challenge that's going to help you take control over your time, essentially. Because that's what being stuck in this shiny object syndrome, hamster wheel, all that does is it basically steals your time. And time is the one commodity that you don't get back. We all have 24 hours in a day. We all have a finite amount of time on this earth. And if you are not in control of how you spend your time and invest your time, you are at the effect of what's going on in the world with social media, with marketing, all that stuff. So I really recommend you sign up for this free challenge. It is legitimately 100% free. There's literally no catch. SOSDetoxChallenge.com to sign up for that. And I'd love to see you there and take you through that. And I'd love for you, if you get value from this challenge, also share it with other people, no matter who they are, because this challenge is there for literally mainstream humans everywhere who are on their phones, on their computers, who are using emails, and who are buying things online, which is pretty much every single one of us. So, SOS Detox Challenge, go check it out. You'll get a lot of value out of it.